May A. Gabanza. I am now facing a new world. A world being modernized, reconstructed, and changed. Yet, I assure you that the blood of my ancestors still runs through my veins. In the long run, I agree that this generation is somehow proud of being Pinoy. However, their nationalism had been gone. Gone are the days when the Filipinos admired the locals. Gone are the good old days when the youth cherished their pride. This historical period is truly affecting the individuals. But wait, can you attest how different people nowadays are? Are you one of those Filipinos that are still appreciative of their own? Years ago, when you always sit near the windows and watch my neighborhood, I could see kids playing Filipino games such as Tumbang Preso, Luksong Tinik, Patintero, Chinese Garter, and so much more, with smiles plastered on their faces. Even though how English there was of the thing called fun they had, at least we had lived the Philippines way. Nowadays, what do kids do? From cell phones to laptops, Xbox to iPads, and Android to iOS. The system of technology is slowly eating their senses. That made them sit all day and facing the computer and electronic gadgets where Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and other social media apps are a must. Our culture is the one to be blamed for. Besides poverty, corruption, abuse of human rights with just inputs for the beginning of our country. Did you see how technology is changing the young adults? It has made the youth more greedy, lazy, and ignorant. Things became out of control. They go beyond the limits. They walk into the wrong path for the sake of pleasure and popularity. In fact, their morals are slowly decaying. Yes, I have witnessed this myself. But ladies and gentlemen, thank God for not leading me to temptation.